My Disney Stores and Friends Level 3, Unit 8, Lessons 6 and 7. Let's review. It's a school. It's a school. It's a grocery store. It's a grocery store. It's a park. It's a park. It's a restaurant. It's a restaurant. It's a toy store. It's a toy store. It's a house. It's a house. Big, big. Small, small. This is a big school. This is a big school. This is a small school. This is a small school. This is a big restaurant. This is a big restaurant. This is a small restaurant. This is a small restaurant. This is a big house. This is a big house. This is a small house. This is a small house. This is a big toy store. This is a big toy store. This is a small toy store. This is a small toy store. Colors: pink, pink, green, green, orange, orange, blue, blue. Pink house, green school, blue toy store, orange restaurant. This is a big pink house. This is a small pink house. This is a big green school. This is a small green school. This is a big blue toy store. This is a small blue toy store. This is a big orange restaurant. This is a small orange restaurant. Great job! Goodbye!